Hi there, welcome back to CodeEdge, SAP tutorials made super easy. In today's video, we are talking about something that brings life to your SAP UI5 app, controllers and events. What is a controller in SAP UI5? Think of your app is like a car. The view is the car's body. It looks nice but can't move on its own. The controller is the driver. It decides what happens when you press the button, turn the wheel, or step on the pedal. In SAP UI5, a controller is simply a JavaScript file where we write logic, like what to do when a button is clicked or data needs to be loaded. Controllers live in the web web app oblique controller folder, and usually every view has its own matching controller. As you can see below folder structure example. Let's create a controller for our main view. Here, on init runs when the view is loaded, and on press is a custom event we created. It shows a small pop-up message. How to bind events in XML View? Now that we have our onPress function in the controller, how do we tell the button to use it? As you can see the below XML code on the screen, notice the press is onPress. This means when the button is clicked, it calls the onPress method in our main.controller.js file. These are like different stages of a page's life. First is on init. It runs when the view is initialized. Second, on before rendering, runs just before the view is displayed. And another is on after rendering. It runs right after the view is displayed. And the last one is on exit. It runs when the view is destroyed. You don't need to use them all every time, but they are there when you need them. So in short, controller is your app's brain, events is signals from the UI to the brain, and together they make your app interactive and alive. So that's all for today's video. If you learned something new, so like, share and subscribe to CodeEdge for more easy SAP UI5 and Fiori tutorials. So see you in the next video.